Today we're going to tour a brand new custom home in Winter Park, Florida. Come on in. Wow, this looks fantastic. So this home was built by Lahr Custom Homes. It's just below 4,000 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. The family really wanted it to have a good feel, family-friendly touches, and was really thoughtful in all the finishes and the way that they designed the home. Everything from when you walk in, you've got this beautiful herringbone pattern, all the way to this vintage door that the owner sourced for her daughter's playroom and also to double as a guest suite. So one of the first things you'll notice when you come into this expansive kitchen living area are these beautiful dramatic light fixtures. They really tried in the kitchen to keep it very soothing, very cohesive. So you'll see the color palette, the cabinetry matches the walls. You've got this really unique flush vent hood over the stove. And then of course you've got this gorgeous open family room with a fireplace to really relax and enjoy yourselves. All the family can gather in here. You've got these cool kid-friendly touches like this cabinetry where they can keep everything to access for their plates and cups and things. And then of course you've got this gorgeous sparkling blue pool outside, which really adds to the ambiance. And there's also tons of storage in this house, from your double fridge freezer to these beautiful custom lockers and open space below, to this really unique pantry that's on a swinging door and even has a beverage fridge and a microwave. You don't even need to leave the pantry. All of that flows through here to your entryway and your laundry room, which was really beautifully and thoughtfully done. This beautiful first floor owner's suite with pitched ceilings has a fabulous view of the pool, but my favorite part is the owner's bath suite. I honestly don't even know where to start. From this fabulous bathtub and this beautiful light fixture to the his and her shower with this amazing textured tile. Even when you go into the closet, everything was built to ceiling height and extra depth just to give that extra feel of luxury. This is truly an owner's bath from floor to ceiling. So when you walk upstairs, you're welcome to this amazing kids' loft area, and all 3 of the kids' bedrooms are off here. This sweet little girl's room, everything from the window seat to this beautiful little light fixture, even the wallpaper on the ceiling, it's every little girl's dream. Not to be outdone, the boys have their own separate wing with a really fabulous bathroom that I'm going to show you right now. So the design of this with the finishes is really unique for 2 growing boys. What's even better is what the mom did here in the shower. Her son has some sensory challenges, so she purposely did a glass see-through entry for the shower, and then she did these really unique tiles in here that have some texture and they're really fun, just for like another soothing element, just to make them more comfortable. And then we have this beautiful backyard with a brand new pool, outdoor fireplace, and plenty of places to sit. You'll be living that Florida lifestyle year-round. Designed and built from the ground up by Lahr Homes, this is what $1.3 million will get you in Winter Park, Florida. Don't forget to subscribe for more home tours like this one. I'm Endsley, your Winter Park Orlando real estate expert.